and medical research, we often encounter terms such as rabbit anti-mouse and goat anti-rabbit. These terms may sound complex, but in reality, they describe a specific immune response and antibody source. Let's talk about this video together. Firstly, we need to understand two core concepts: immune animals and immunogens. Immune animals refer to animals used to produce antibodies, while immunogens are substances that trigger immune responses, typically proteins or antigens from another animal species. Rabbit anti-mouse means that in this immune response, rabbits are immune animals used to produce antibodies, and the immunogen comes from mice, where mouse refers to the species of immunogen. Therefore, rabbit anti-mouse antibodies refer to antibodies produced by rabbits that can specifically recognize and bind to mouse-derived antigens. Similarly, goat anti-rabbit refers to sheep being used as immune animals to produce antibodies against rabbit-derived antigens. In short, whether it is rabbit anti-mouse or goat anti-rabbit, they describe a cross-species immune response in which one animal is used to produce specific antibodies against antigens of another animal. These antibodies have a wide range of applications in biomedical research, such as laboratory testing, disease diagnosis, and treatment. This is the end of this video. Follow Cheng Yao Biology's video account to bring you more interesting and informative life science knowledge. We look forward to seeing you next time.